To create your own wallpaper with AI on Nothing Phone 3a, we can go to Settings, choose Customization, and then over here you want to go to More Wallpapers at the bottom. Over here you should be able to find Wallpaper Studio. I have already created one wallpaper, but in your case, if you didn't use it before, you will have a huge banner that you can tap on. In my case, I have to press Create, and now over here we can choose the first category and the second one. You can also press this plus button in order to immediately start creating the wallpaper, and then you should get results. You can also recreate if you don't like the wallpaper for some reason, and then we can create another wallpaper after that. And if you like the wallpaper, then of course we can set it as wallpaper. We can also press this download button over here in the top right corner, and as you can see, we have saved this. And you can also choose Surprise Me, so if you don't know which one you would like to choose, then we can just press this option in order to randomly select these categories. And that is pretty much it. So if you like the wallpaper, like I said, we can press to set as wallpaper. Let's press this check, and that's pretty much it. Let's press done after that, and we have a new wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!